Hi everyone, I'm coming to you today with a thrift flip. Last year I took a mismatched, outdated, wasn't really worth anything because it was mismatched, nativity set, and I painted it all white. Took one picture and it sold that day. So that is what we are doing today. These are made in China, so they're not anything worth value. I picked them up at the thrift store. It was in a baggie. We were missing some parts. There's a couple chips. So today we are taking Country Chic Simplicity. It's a pure white, and we are going to go ahead and paint all of this white. We will either wax it or distress it back to get some texture on there and then put it out on the floor. I'm going to probably speed up this next part so you don't have to watch me do it the whole time. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like this type of content, and we'll see you next time. Here I am just putting the first coat of paint on all of these little figures. And this is a pretty quick and easy process. I know off bat it's going to take at least 2 coats. And this next little segment is me putting the second coats on them all and getting them all finished up. And you will see at the end here, I don't have all the pieces. So what happened is I did this during store hours. I moved it off the front counter to take care of somebody's order, and I knocked them over and broke 2 of the wise men and the shepherd. So this is what I have remaining, and they turned out really simple and sweet and beautiful. I didn't even wax these, you guys. I'm leaving them as is.